Name is Ramana Reddy. I am a tax lawyer from Hyderabad. Today, I wanted to talk to you about the levy of interest for late payment of taxes under GST. So, to start off with an example, let's say that you have, uh, for a particular month, tax liability of say 1 lakh rupees. So, you have to pay 1 lakh to the government and you have input tax credit or ITC in your bank account already or in your credit ledger already, and let's say you have 90,000 ITC. So you have output tax dues of 1 lakh, you have 90,000 rupees of ITC. And so the question, or there's been a lot of litigation about this. The question was whether should you pay interest on 1 lakh rupees because that is how much you owe to the government, or should you pay interest on 10,000 rupees because the government already has 90,000 rupees in the electronic credit ledger as credit already with the government. There's been a lot of litigation about this and people have gone back and forth. But in September last year, it was a welcome move by the government that they issued instructions to all their officers stating that, look, you only collect interest on net liability. So to revisit the example, if you have 1 lakh as the amount of tax that is due, but you already have 90,000 rupees as your ITC, then what the instruction said was, look, the difference is only 10,000 rupees. So you collect interest only on 10,000 rupees and not on the 1 lakh that is due. This has also found its way into the finance bill uh, of 2021, and the provision has not yet been notified yet, but the instruction as well as the provision gives this benefit retrospectively from the 1st of July 2017, from when GST was enacted. And we are still seeing show cause notices that are being issued by officers saying you pay interest on 1 lakh and not on 10,000. So if you ever receive a show cause notice or an order from the government department or from the GST department specifically asking you for interest, always check, is that interest on the net liability, or in other words, is the interest on 10,000 rupees, or is the interest being levied at gross liability, or in other words, is the interest being levied at 1 lakh rupees. Always do that check before you do anything else. It's been a busy week, so I thought I'd at least make a short video, and I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comments, love mail or hate mail, please feel free to put them in the comments section. Although I may not respond to each one of them, I definitely read each one of them. So thank you for watching.